So I thought like whether should I do a PhD or should I get into an industry where I can do the same research, but it would be having a direct impact on the patient or the people's life. So that's why I decided, okay, I'll just try my hands in research in industry. Then if I don't like, I always have this thing of like coming back and doing a PhD and staying in academia. So that's why
Right.
I decided, okay, I'll just make a move and get into industry. And I attended like only like two interviews. So until this all these times it was only me like discovering all the things because there was no one for me to like look up at and get a advice or like talk to people because there was not anyone in my community who was like moving from academia to industry at that time. So I had no one to like get experience or like get advice. So I just made the decision, okay, I'll just go into the industry and just attended a single interview. And I think that company was Biogen. So Biogen was like one of the biggest biotech companies, and at that time, they were the first company to come out with a drug for Alzheimer's. But it had a controversy, and then they had to get back the drug back from the market. So I attended the interview, and I just got a position as a contractor for them for a period of 1.5 years. But
Okay.
when I started, so I was working with them for a translation.
What was that experience like? What were the kind of questions that you answered, and whom did you meet?
Sure. So the interviews in biotechs are like completely different than any other field. So you don't have to do any experiments to them or like you don't have to solve anything. It's just talking. So you just talk like as if you know everything in the world, like saying like, okay, I did this, I did that, I did this. So it was, I mean, again, I didn't have any prior interview experiences. So I just read what was there in the internet, like how to attend an interview, how to attend a biotech interviews. So they told me like it should be like a storytelling. Like there was some method called STAR, which is like telling about a situation and how you overcame the situation and what was your result. Literally, I had nothing in like exciting happening in my academia lab to say a story out of it. So I just told like I got stuck in midst of COVID. My lab was shut down, and I just had like a 6 months period to do my research, and I just did that. And the people at Biogen were like very impressed with that, and they were telling like, okay, you have some management skill and you know how to like do your project and do your like research. So it just took me in, and